Eggler Technology is a world leader in the design and delivery of practice-based capability design and model-based systems engineering workshops. Our globally recognised, highly innovative training methods focus on developing practical skills and essential digital engineering knowledge needed to design the most complex systems. During our MBSE workshops, you will learn how to use scenario analysis and visual diagramming techniques to develop integrated operational models, and how to derive traceable, system functional and physical architectures and system requirements. You will also generate key design documents directly from the model using an easy-to-learn systems engineering tool. And all of Eggler's MBSE workshops are delivered by internationally recognised instructors with deep experience in complex systems design. Through Eggler's clever use of practical modelling exercises and realistic tutorials, our workshops will prepare you for the future. Please contact us at Eggler Technology for further information about our best practice workshops.